Ain't nobody really fucking with me like they always saying. All these people hit me up, but I know that they be fake. Gonna grab the lawnmower, finally cut off.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to basically show you how you can install these flush mount signals and have these stock indicators removed. As you can see here, these are actually a big difference compared to the stock indicators. It gives it a much more flusher look and a much more cleaner look. And plus, worst case scenario, if this does happen to go down the bike, I've got these crash knobs to protect it, and these signal indicators are pretty much pretty safe due to its how narrow it is. But guys, I'll show you a quick install. But basically, these are just off eBay. I paid roughly $30 for it. Comes with this kind of screw which sits behind the fairings with the signal on the other side, and basically just bolts right in. It also comes with the original Yamaha OEM plugs, so there's no cutting, no splicing involved. It's a pretty straightforward installation. But guys, I'll run you through it. Basically, we have two bolts here on this part, and this one, what I can see is we have a bolt there, and there should be four rivets just behind these. So let's get to it. So let's have this top panel removed. So I'm just going to use a number 4 Allen key we have here. So let's get this removed. So that's one nut. Basically that's it. Just going to use this smaller Allen key just to pop the rivets out, but let's get this out of the way. I don't want to squash that. If we come around this side.
This one here.
So just basically rivets, they pop out. That's one. That's two. That's three. What's the other parts in this on it? Oh, can't get that one. So what I'm going to get is just a flathead screwdriver, just to kind of help me guide it and pop it out. Got it, there we go. Just jiggle that out. Basically that's it. So that's the other rivet. So guys, this piece right here is just held on by the one nut and also the rivets. And we have this rivet that sits in here in this plastic little sleeve. So that's off. So we get this out of the way, put it somewhere safe. Just put it down here. Next step we have is to basically pop back this rubber trimming. Come back around here. And you have the connection just right behind the signal. So if I once you there, it's a H. Let's pop that out. So that's signal. Come back around, just yank on it, so we get it out. So it's kind of just in that gap there. Just gonna use this flathead just to guide me a little bit. Yep. Just jiggle it out. Yep. There we go. Next step, guys, is to remove these two bolts. Sorry guys, it's pretty hot today. It's like 30 degrees here in Australia. So it's a little bit sweaty. So let's get this out. So we just have two nuts for this piece here. So that's one nut, so that's the nut there. The second one. Put this out. But let's leave that in there first, because there's a clip here that's just got on clip. And just push it open, and then I'll just close it back. Basically that's why it's loose now. Oops, that's no good. Oh, lucky it's not damaged. It landed on this side. Woo! That was a close call, guys. So guys, don't let that happen. Now we have two nuts to remove, so I'm just going to use 10mm. Yep, so I've got a 10mm socket. So that's the nut. There's 2 of these bolts. Oh, and second one. So basically that's pretty much it. Let's have a look. So it's got some kind of clip. These are flathead screwdriver. So there's a clip right here. I think we can just pop it out. There we go. It's out. So it's just a little clip. So it sits right on these little rubber seals and just pops right out. Next step, looks like you can probably just twist it out. There we go. Just give it a twist and it comes right out. So that's done. That's the stock. We don't need that anymore. Let's put it to the side. Let's get our flush mounts. So I've got the slightly tinted version. Just gives a more slick look. So let's undo this nut. Pop that through. Oh jeez. Third position. So I'm just locking that in. Main reason why I picked this one of the signals is because yeah, OEM connection, plug and play. Last thing you want to do is, you know, cut it, splice it. Yeah, it's too much mucking around. So that's nice and tight, that's on, that's exactly how I want it aligned. Just like that, so you can tighten it a bit more. That's perfect. Alright guys, once you have that connected, so just got the signals connected just up here. And let's screw these in. It's done. It's plugged. Let's put this rivet back in. It's in. Roll it back on. That's in. Back around this way. It's this little clip. It's gonna hook it around the wire. Something nice and tight like that. Cool. So that's done. So let's pop this back in. Get it lined. Like that. Nicely, keep it all aligned. Just push back in. Just like that. So it's nice and in. The seals look good. Everything's aligned. Let's just pop this nut in. It's done. This piece. Up. That's nice and tight, so that's done. So let's pop the other rivets back in, the plastic rivets. Cool, that's it. And basically, we are done, but let's give it another test. Beautiful. So that's complete. This side. Yeah, this side's already installed. So, guys, the left side's actually really easy and quicker to install versus the right. The left side, once you take this piece off, you can see the signal wiring just sitting there. With this side, it's a bit more complicated in terms of the wiring. It's kind of thread through a little exit and basically goes all the way around up here. And if you peel back this rubber piece here, the signal is actually sitting on a little mount just behind here. But once you get the wires through, it's a quick installation. There you go. This is on my MT-09 SP 2019 model. Let's turn this off. Hey guys, that's it for today. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like, comment down below if you have any questions that you want to throw at me, and also please subscribe because that can help me grow my content so I can show you more in future. So plenty of content to come, just in regards to my bike or any future unboxing, or basically just my lifestyle. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.